The Manifestation Handbook, Part 2. Are you able to be spiritual? You might have to connect with your higher self. One example is handling rejection. Both ways. Can you also be strong enough to reject negative people in your life? For some people, no matter how beautiful you draw your goals, they can't see what's just been illustrated, like a stolen Mona Lisa. Are you a warrior or a warrior? During this journey, you'll have to be your own lawyer and pretend to be the best attorney, skillful enough to make the lines look blurry for the jury while you plead and ask to show mercy. As the court looks over your cases, it's you versus your dreams, and the verdict is a sweeping victory on your behalf. Being sure of yourself is tough because others will see you as not worthy enough. In the most nonchalant way, they will ask, "What's the hurry? Stay here with us and be dirty till you're 30. You heard me?" Don't let anyone stop you from visualizing your goals. Just be the person you desire to be most, as if you are already there, the person that you plan on becoming. At night, you can program your mind by whispering to yourself. I know it sounds a little quirky, but trust me, your environment, such as the media, is already programming you. They even call TV and radio shows programs. Well before you sleep, refer to and imagine to a world that you would like to live in. The spoils and the rewards from envisioning this soon to be reality can really be yours, and you can actually reap. Ask yourself, what is the highest level of life possible? This level is where you connect each morning with morning affirmations that align with your future self. You will be prepared to meet new opportunities. Luck will seem to just open up doors like never before. It's how the universe talks to you. It feels like luck. Meanwhile, others, they look like they're still stuck. Learning to meditate is part of this Manifestation Handbook's core. It's one of the best ways to allow your brain to consume self-healing tunes by reprogramming your own mind and keep daily thoughts made by you and made for you. You won't need to follow visuals created for you and the general public anymore. It's like being a mind soldier, able to fight threats at a high level. We all have the ammunition to not fall for tricks that lead to deviations. Almost reached the end of our handbook. I'm not the only advocate for manifesting things into reality. Research Mr. Dodson when he said, "Be sure to be grateful and thankful for the issues that have already been solved well before." He is a well-known person on this subject, and he knows what it takes to make things become real. Listen up, this stuff works because there is a secret group out there who do it well, and they run the world with it. They live their dream life daily by manipulating energy that's all around us. They have no compassion for those that don't take action or study the laws of attraction, or for those that blame it on mishaps and other contraptions for their own life that lacks satisfaction. Only a small fraction of people know about that. How thought can turn reality is an actual law, and if used right, can make anything happen. This could be your truth if you choose to. Now that you have this quick guide, it can be your fuel. There's more info out there. This was just a quick tool for you to use. Now it's up to you. There really is no excuse. You can't lose. The Manifestation Handbook. Peace, love, and power. Mr. Hours, the voice of power.